So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Electro Explorer. Today I am going to unbox the Crompton Greaves Aura Prime Anti-Dust with a 5-year warranty one Duratech technology. So as you have heard about this is the new one. Like, we cannot say it new, it was in 2019. It came 2019 or 2020 I think. So let's unbox this. This is the blade set, this is the motor part. So as you can see, this is the blade part. Now I have already opened it for the warranty card filling it. So like as you can see, the retails, it is 3000, sorry, here it is according to 3990 rupees. Actually I got it for rupees 3000 exactly. And the color price varies at different things and at different places, different states. So this is manufactured in 11/2020, that is November 2020. This is a Solan product, Solan factory. This is Aura Prime Anti-Dust, as you can see, 48 inches, and as you can see, rust made in India, of course. And this box is quite attractive than any other box of Crompton. Those are normally white and blue Crompton written here. This is really like attractive box. And now you can see the features: the corrosion resistant coating, range of colors, double ball bearing, anti-dust, aluminum body. The contents are given here. So on the box, as you can see, there is a rose gold color printed, and this is pearl white titanium rose gold. So you will get it what is pearl white titanium. And the biggest advantage of this fan is this has a 5-year warranty, on-road warranty. So this is really good. All over India, from anywhere you can get it repaired or anything if the problem comes. I don't think it will come because so let's check inside. This is the box. This is the contents. Color coding doesn't matter at all. So if you don't follow it, it's okay, completely right. If you use same color wire, then also it's okay. The regulator instructions are given here. So just you can take a screenshot of this. So let's check the contents of the box. So here is the first thing is the warranty card. You can see ceiling fan 5-year warranty. Don't lose it. 5 years you have to keep it safely. Aside, this is the 11-inch down rod given by Crompton, white color. This is a sparkle white color. Let me keep it at a side. These are the canopies. White canopy. This is exact Avancer canopy, but one thing I felt is less and bad in this canopy, that here there is no tightening bolt or tightening screw. There is a grip given like how in Aura and high speed it is given. So this thing is like not good, I think. So carefully handle this canopy. Quality is quite good. You can see it's sparkle white. This is the upper canopy with the Crompton logo. It comes in this way. Keep it all at a side. This is the shackle kit STD original. This STD is the brand provided by Crompton. Let's open it later. Now comes the main unit of the fan, that is the fan motor. Let's unbox it. I have removed the motor here, and as you can see, now let's keep this box at a side. So this is the motor. This is the upper and lower canopy. So first let me remove it out completely. So guys, as you can see, this is the motor, this is a safety bolt. Nowadays this model is the only model of Crompton that gets only box capacitor. So as you can see, this is not opal white, this is pearl white. As you can see, the pearl design is shining. This is the motor. This looks really very good. The rose gold color is here. Titanium effect, titanium grey color with the rose gold, and the pearl white looks really good. And this like some dust. And then as you can see, this is the motor. And then now comes the blade set. So let me open up this. So guys, as you can see, the motor is here, blades are here. Now on this local download I have put the canopies. You can see this short canopy is the Crompton logo, that is upper canopy, and this is, I have put it earlier only because you can see after putting this wire in this way the canopy will not go, and same way this side also I have tied a knot also for permanently. Now let me install this rod in the ceiling first. Let me remove the old fan and all. Let me install it the shackle, and then fan will come. One more thing to say is that you can see this white one. This is there because if you have put a local download and the ceiling has some leakage or any other thing, so sometimes the water comes down or the moisture comes down along with the download and then goes in the shaft. This is bad for the motor. So this is really good. Don't remove this. Actually this was fallen in the box, so I noticed it later. So this is the oil thing. Let me first install this much and then I will show you the fan. So guys, as you can see, I have put this fan here like this part, and I have connected the ceiling wire and the fan wire with this connector. This is a ceiling fan connector. I did not have any other connector, so I have primarily used this. Inside everything is connected, just this one part is to be tightened a bit more. Download is fixed. The shackle is the original STD shackle by Crompton. I did not put the local shackle because it should be permanent, fixed and perfect. So like this is the rod, this is the canopy, and just like now let me put all this up, take this canopy up, and then I will show you the installation of the blades and the motor part. So guys, as you can see, this fan is installed. This is the fan label. Let me show it to you once. Crompton Prime ceiling fan, Aura Prime. This is the same label like the Aura Prime antenna, the old design one. Box capacitor. This is made for Crompton, specially written here. You cannot see it in blue. This is the box. I will not use this safety screw, but I will use a bigger bolt there. This is the shank and all. Now you can see the exact shining and all. The fan. The fan is exactly same in view from the top, like the old Aura. But in the old Aura model, there is no white color. And this is pearl white. So this is not opal white. Please remember, opal white is really very cheap color. That doesn't look good on fans. This is pearl white. This looks really very good. I have made a Crompton and Havells anti-sir video also on my channel. You can go and check that video. That fan is also the pearl white color with the grey silver decos. So you can check out that fan. Now the main unit is done and the upper part is also done. So let's fix this fan on the down rod. So guys, as you have seen here, this is the bolt here. With this you have to put the disc type, the bolt, you know, that hard quality, good quality one, and then you have to put a smaller bolt like the, you can see here, the ring type bolt, smallest, and then you have to put the bigger nut and then the smaller one, and then you have to tight this. Let me tell you the number of the spanner with which you have to tighten this. So guys, you have to tighten this up with the spanner number 11. As you can see, this is the spanner number 11. This is same for both the things. First let me show you how to tighten it. Hold it like this. From that side I need to hold, I cannot hold the camera together. So let me first tighten it and then I will show you how to connect in the capacitor, and then let's start the fan. So guys, remember that I have connected this one. Always remember, in the box capacitor there is no third hole like how in normal fans we do is with the cylindrical capacitor. Here we attach one wire and here we do it, but in box capacitor this is closed here. As you can see, now the fan reveal comes here. So this is the fan. So guys, the fan is looking really very good. I cannot tell you how good it is looking. Decent and good fan. The looks are really good with this fan, and this color is a good choice as per my choice. Now let's check if the fan is working. Yeah, it's working. So it's successful. On speed number 1, slow start, now like normal. Speed number 2, normal noise like the old auras and the avances. Oh, the speed is really good at 2 also. Speed number 3. Speed number 4. And speed number 5. 380 RPM, full speed, very fast. It's looking really fast, 380 RPM, 231 cm, that is airflow. So guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, please like it. I hope you liked it, the unboxing for here. Thanks for watching. I hope you will be back soon on the next video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Comment down everything, whatever you have doubts, prices, each and every question you have. And now the part comes like this is the original rod of this fan. This will be put safely in the cupboard with the safety screw. And this is not at all wobbling, so don't think that if I have not put the safety screw it's wobbling. I have checked the download. I have took the download with the good quality. Especially I have checked for that the download does not make the fan wobble. So like, that's all for today.